Hello, this is Tamima Hadi. Welcome to our next lesson. This lesson is called Comparing Fractions. In this class, we have the students Alex, Sarah, Sam, and Sophia. This is the objective of today's lesson. By end of this lesson, we have to able compare fractions with equal denominators, compare fractions with equal numerators, learn the cross multiply method to compare fractions and they use comparing fractions in daily life with sample examples. So, but to learn how to compare fractions, it is very important to understand the concepts of fractions, numerators, and denominators. These concepts we have explored in the last lesson. So let me ask you to do a review of our last lesson. And also these concepts will help us to learn very fast and easily today's lesson. So, uh, Lisa, please you tell me what is a fraction? I mean, tell me the definition of fractions. Nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. Very nice. Yes, Sarah, please you tell me what is the parts of a fractions? How many parts has a fraction? Nice, very nice. Yes, a fraction has two parts, numerators and denominators. Very nice. Yes, some please you tell me in this fraction what is numerator? What is denominator? Nice, very nice. Yes, then is denominator. And Sophia, what is denominator in this fraction? Very nice. Yes, 12 is denominator. Very nice. Now let me begin today's class. As you can see, here we have two pizza. One is divided into 8 and the other one is divided into 4. Have you ever wondered who gets a bigger slice of pizza when slices are cut differently? Yeah, today we will learn how to compare fractions that are bigger, smaller, or equal, just like in real life situations. So, to compare fractions, we have a different way. The first way is comparing fractions with equal denominators. So now, you know numerators, denominators? When two fractions have the same denominators, the fraction with the larger numerator is bigger. So let me show you some examples are there. First example, I'm going to compare 2 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. So we can see these two fractions, they have same denominators. Okay? But their numerators are different. As we explain here, a fraction by bigger or larger numerator is bigger when their denominator are same. So we can say the first fraction is bigger than the second one. Okay. Also, you can see in this figure, this apple is a fraction by 2 upon 2, and the second one is 1 upon 2. So it's clear to we see the first one is bigger. And the second example, some police, you tell me which fraction is bigger, 5 upon 12 or 7 upon 12? Which one is bigger? Right, yes, this one is bigger. Why it's bigger? Alex, why this one is bigger? Right, yes, thank you. Because in the second fraction, numerator is greater than the first one. Nice, very nice, thank you. So, the second way is we are going to compare fractions with equal numerator. Whenever their numerator is equal, the fraction with the with the smaller denominator is larger. Yeah, when their numerator are number is same, then the fraction with less denominator is larger. See at this example. I'm going to compare 2 upon 3 with 2 upon 5. See, the numerator of these two fractions are equal. So the fraction with less denominator is bigger. See here, the first fraction, 2 upon 3 is, it has less denominator. So we can say the first fraction is larger than the second one. Sophia, tell me about these two fractions, which one is bigger? You compare 13 upon 100 and 31 upon 100 and 31 upon 105. Yes, you're right. This one is bigger because its denominator is less than the second one. Okay, right, very nice. So the next way, we are going to compare fractions with different denominator and numerators. So in this case, first we need to convert them to fractions with equal numerators. For that, we multiply the denominators of both fractions to find the common numerator. See the example here, the fifth example. As we can see, both fractions, they have different numerator and different denominators, and we are going to multiply their denominators to each other. So 7 times 2, 10, and 10 times 2, 7. It will be 17, and this one also 17. So based on the first way, and here we say whenever their denominator are equal, that fraction with bigger numerator is the big fraction. So we can say this fraction is bigger. Okay, this fraction is equivalent by this fraction, and also the first fraction is equivalent by this one. So we can say the second fraction, 6 upon 10, is the bigger fraction. Yes, in this part, this cross multiply method to compare fractions, it is very nice and shortcut method to comparing fractions with the different denominators. Generally, we consider these two fractions, a by b and c by d, and we are applying these steps. The first step, we multiply the numerator of the first fraction uh, by the denominator of second fraction. Then we multiply the numerator of the second fraction by the denominator of the first fraction. And the next step, if AD is bigger than CB, we say the first fraction, I means AB is bigger. If A times to D is less than C times to B, then we say the first fraction is smaller than the second one, this one. Okay? So to be more clear this part, let me show you some examples. The first example, I'm going to compare 3 upon 4 and 6 up 5 upon 6. We multiply 3 by 6. 3 by 6 is equal to 18. And the next 5 times to 4. 5 times to 4 is equal to 20. As we can see, the BC is larger than AD, then we can say the first fraction is bigger than the second fraction is bigger than the first one. This one is bigger. Is it clear? Yes, it is very easy and it is also very a nice shortcut way to without finding the common denominators between two fractions, we can compare them. And this example, Sarah, please you tell me which one is bigger and find, yeah, right? Very nice. Very good. Yes, 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 yes. Very good. Yes, very nice. Yes, the first fraction is bigger because AD is bigger than BC. Very nice. Very good. And this is the class activity. Now let me divide your class into two groups. The first group, Alex and Sarah, and the second group, Sam and Sophia. The first group, you find who gets a bigger slice of cake. If Sam has 3 upon 8 and Lisa has 5 upon 8. Why? The second group, how we compare fractions with same numerator and denominator. We have studied to compare fractions with different numerator or different denominators, or maybe both of them is different. You find if they have same numerator and denominator, then which one is bigger or how we can compare them. Okay, then from each group, one person should present the result to all of us. So, to I be sure you learn today's lesson, let me ask you some question. Uh, Lisa, you compare these two fractions, which are bigger. Very nice. Yes, thank you. This one is bigger. And Sophia, you compare these two fractions. Which one is bigger? Very nice. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, Sophia, this one is bigger. And Alex, you compare these two. Yes. And okay. All right. Yeah. Police, you find. And today we have a short time. We have to finish today's class within 15 to 20 minutes. So in the next classes, we will do some more exercise and we will apply the whiteboard and pen tablets. So it's your homeworks. Please, you do your homework. If you have any question, please ask me. And thank you. Thank you so much. Have a good day. See you again. Thank you. Thank you.